We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide a comprehensive overview of the Hiccapop Baby Wipe Warmer and Baby Wet Wipes Dispenser. This product has been widely praised by parents and caregivers for its reliability, ease of use, and thoughtful features that improve the diaper changing experience. If you own this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The Hiccapop Baby Wipe Warmer stands out in the market with over 5 million units sold, a testament to its popularity and trusted quality. One of its key innovations is the silicone seal that locks in moisture and heat, preventing wipes from drying out or turning brown, a common issue with other warmers. The top-heated design ensures that the wipes at the top of the box are the warmest, providing consistent warmth without overheating. This design also contributes to the wipes remaining moist and fresh, eliminating the need for additional water or pillows at the bottom of the warmer. A notable feature is the built-in changing light that softly illuminates the changing area during nighttime diaper changes. This light is gentle enough to avoid waking the baby fully and automatically turns off after 10 minutes, which is convenient for parents who do not want to fumble with switches in the middle of the night. The warmer has a high-capacity case that can hold all brands of wipes, including flushable types, making it versatile for various preferences. The viewing lens allows users to easily monitor the number of wipes remaining, preventing surprises during diaper changes. The lid locks securely on the sides, making refills quick and straightforward while ensuring the wipes stay sealed and warm. Users report that the wipes come out warm but never hot, which is ideal for a baby's sensitive skin. The warmth is generated from the top down, a feature that many users believe prevents the browning and drying issues seen in other warmers that heat from the bottom. The wipes are ready immediately upon pulling, although they cool quickly once removed, so it is best to use them promptly. The product's size is somewhat larger than some other warmers, which means it requires sufficient shelf space. However, its sturdy and weighted design provides stability during use, allowing for one-handed dispensing without the risk of tipping over. This stability is appreciated by many users who found previous warmers wobbly and inconvenient. Several reviews highlight the warmer's durability and longevity. One user reported consistent use for over 16 months, including for 2 different babies, with no decline in performance or issues with drying or browning wipes. The warmer has proven to be a reliable companion through various seasons, especially in colder months when cold wipes can cause discomfort for babies. Some users noted minor inconveniences, such as occasional difficulty in pulling out a single wipe due to how the wipes are stacked inside. Sometimes multiple wipes come out together, or a wipe does not reach the pull-out slot, requiring manual adjustment. While this is a minor annoyance, it is quickly resolved and does not detract significantly from the overall positive experience. The warmer is also praised for its safety features, including a low-voltage power adapter and a free lifetime warranty upon registration. Customer service responsiveness is highly rated, with some users receiving prompt replacements when issues arose. Parents have expressed relief at how the warmer has transformed diaper changes, especially for newborns and infants sensitive to cold wipes. The warmth soothes babies, reducing fussiness and making the process smoother for both the baby and caregiver. The nightlight feature is also valued for its practicality during late-night changes. In summary, the Hiccapop Baby Wipe Warmer and Dispenser offers a combination of thoughtful design, reliable performance, and user-friendly features that address common problems with baby wipe warmers. Its ability to keep wipes moist and warm without overheating, the convenience of a built-in nightlight, and compatibility with various wipe brands make it a top choice for parents. While it is slightly larger than some alternatives and may require occasional adjustment when pulling wipes, these are minor trade-offs for the overall benefits. This product is highly recommended for anyone looking to improve the diaper changing routine, especially during colder months or for babies who dislike cold wipes. The warmth and moisture retention enhance comfort and hygiene, making it a valuable addition to any nursery. Remember to check the product link in the description to support the channel and consider sharing your own experiences in the comments to help other parents make the best choice.